I just made a really big update slash upgrade to the Amazing Influencers Toolkit Storefront fetch function. And everybody's going to get this. Doesn't matter if you're a free user or a pro user, because the fetch functionality impacts everything that goes on within the extension. So I want to make sure that everybody had this. This is a faster fetch and it is a more accurate fetch. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do and what to expect. Now, if you're an Amazon influencer and you don't already have the Amazing Influencers Toolkit, it is free to download from the Google Extension Store. If you're watching this on Google or on YouTube, I'll put a link in the description down below. Let me just jump over and show you very quickly on what's going to happen. So, of course, the storefront fetch, the way that it's worked up to this point is, you're going to click the button, and once you start, it scrolls through your storefront, basically reading what's on the screen. It can take some time to do that, but it was also somewhat inconsistent in the results because it relied on essentially Amazon putting things onto the screen in a timely manner. Basically, as long as it loaded fast, it was fine, but if it didn't, sometimes there was issues. So this eliminates all of the scrolling. It eliminates the inconsistencies. It eliminates the issue of, like, if I post a video today, sometimes Amazon wouldn't show it in here for some reason for a couple days. This gets those videos instantaneously after you upload them. So very much a different process overall. So what you're going to do, just like before, you're going to go to your storefront fetch button. You're going to see this here pops up. One thing to note is it no longer says you need to disable any extensions to run this. That's true. Influencer Fruit, for example, whenever we were scrolling, we had to disable it because the two together just slowed the page down. You don't have to do that anymore. The other thing is you're going to notice if I just go ahead and click this button here, it's going to go through the same process where the first time you run it, it's going to fetch your entire storefront. It does about 1,000 unique IDs per minute. So for me, for about 3,000 videos, it took me right about 3 minutes. So you can use that to gauge how long it's going to take. And then subsequent fetches you're going to do, it's only going to get the newest videos you've made since you did the full one, right? Unless you end up going in and maybe clearing your ASINs and doing it again, then that fetches the entire storefront again. But pretty much it's going to be your full fetch first, and then subsequent fetches will be only fetching the new stuff. That is going to run. Now, whenever you first get this, what's going to happen is if you don't do a new fetch, you're going to go up and you're going to try to do like your storefront health check or something like that. And it's not going to work after this update comes out because we have also changed the storage where everything is going to be held. I cleaned up the storage, made it much easier for the extension to read. So if you go to click storefront health check, if you go to click content gap or copyright audit, there's nothing in there currently because of the new storage bin. So it's just going to tell you, there's nothing in here right now. Go do a new fetch. So that's why you're seeing that information is everybody's going to need to do a new fetch after this. But again, it's going to be faster and more accurate, and all of this other stuff's going to work much easier and much more reliably because of that. So when this comes out, you're going to see this here. Oh, this is also a new overlay too, just to kind of give you a little bit more visibility into what's going on there. That's it. You just got to do a new fetch. It's faster, it's more reliable, and it doesn't matter if you're free, doesn't matter if you're pro. Everybody's got this because, again, this is the foundation of how the extension works overall. And whatever you do in the extension needs to have a reliable fetch set of data fetched there. And so that's going to do it. So let me know if you guys got any questions, any issues. Love that you guys are loving the extension. Thank you guys so much for supporting it. We'll see you, of course, as always, on the next video. Peace out.